Hey guys, if your home has been built between 2000 and 2005, listen up. We are directory certified roofing contractor. We are honest, transparent, and really hardworking and doing everything right from the first time. Normally, a roof replacement takes a day or two. In order to finish the roof replacement project in a day or two, we plan it ahead and we make sure that it's gonna be stress-free and super easy day for our homeowners. If you're watching this video right now and worried about your roof or so, thinking about maybe you may have some issues, just reach out to us. Let's schedule the free inspection and check your roof's health. We try to bring best possible solutions to your home. To make sure that you have a water-free roof.